Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by activating the yeast and building structure in one move. Warm milk to 38 degrees 40 degrees so yeast wakes but doesn't die. Once done, whisk in egg and melted butter so fats emulsify into the dough. That improves softness. Combine dry flour, sugar, salt, then pour the liquid and knead 8-10 minutes until smooth and elastic. This develops gluten for lift. Make sure the dough is tacky, not sticky. If too wet, add 10-20 g flour at a time while kneading. Once the dough is kneaded, place it in an oiled bowl and proof at about 27 degrees 30 degrees for 60-75 minutes until doubled. This timing gives flavor and airy crumb. After the first rise, degas gently to retain some bubbles. Then roll to 1.5 centimeters thickness and cut donuts and centers cleanly for even frying. Make sure to space them on parchment for the second proof. Proof again for 30-45 minutes until puffy but still slightly springy. Overproofing yields. You finish by frying at a steady 175 degrees so the exterior sets quickly while the interior finishes cooking. Fry about 60-90 seconds per side, depending on size, and use a wire rack to drain to avoid soggy bottoms. Once cooled slightly, dip in a simple glaze of powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla so it adheres while warm. That seals moisture. If donuts turn dense, check yeast freshness, shorten or lengthen proof times appropriately, and verify oil temp. Too hot or too cool ruins lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.